Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best products on the market to make your shopping decisions easier. Today, we're going to talk about the Amazon Basics Foldable Portable Laundry Rack, which we believe is the best clothes drying shelf available right now. If you're tired of your clothes piling up and being tossed around your room or struggling with ineffective drying methods, this laundry rack might be the perfect solution. The Amazon Basics Foldable Portable Laundry Rack is designed for both indoor and outdoor use, making it incredibly versatile. It measures 14.5 inches in depth, 29.5 inches in width, and stands at 41.8 inches high. This compact size allows it to fit easily in a variety of spaces, whether you're drying your clothes in a small apartment or utilizing an outdoor space. Its sleek white finish is not only stylish but also prevents rust and mildew, which is a major bonus for anyone who's had issues with traditional metal racks. One of the best features of this drying rack is its foldable design. The accordion-style setup means you can expand it when you need it and fold it flat when you don't. This makes storing it a breeze, especially if you're tight on space. Whether you're using it to dry your clothes in your living room or on the balcony, this rack won't take up unnecessary space. And when it's not in use, just fold it down and tuck it away. This rack is built from durable, lightweight steel, which supports up to 32 pounds of laundry. Whether you're drying towels, clothes, or delicate items, the frame holds them securely without feeling flimsy or weak. Despite its sturdy design, it's easy to carry and move around, so you can place it wherever you need it most. Plus, it's great for those who want an eco-friendly way to dry clothes, as air drying uses no electricity and keeps your clothes in better shape than machine drying. It's ideal for people who want to save money on energy bills and extend the life of their clothes. Instead of putting your clothes through the harsh cycles of a dryer, air drying keeps them gentle and fresh. This makes it perfect for those who are looking to reduce their carbon footprint or simply need a more affordable way to get their laundry done. The Amazon Basics Foldable Laundry Rack is a customer favorite, and it's easy to see why. It combines durability, ease of use, and functionality, making it the go-to choice for anyone looking for a reliable way to dry their clothes. Whether you're in a small apartment or have a spacious backyard, this drying rack provides the perfect solution for all your drying needs. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews of the best products on the market. If you want to try this amazing laundry rack for yourself, check out the link in the description. We'll see you in the next video.